Hello everybody. This thing here. Now I'm staying in the small house. You can see here. So this house gonna do a coffee shop in the future. And just under this house, beautiful view. There are too many rice fields around there, and you see now the rice field still very green. If you have any plan come to Sapa, I would love to recommend for you in in the last August and September. That's a very good time to visit Sapa because the time they are harvest time, so you can see the color of the rice field view, golden color. They are the golden color. So right now it's very green, but in August and September it's more beautiful and it's golden color. You have any plan? Yeah, I know now it's a lot issue to come to Sapa. It's hard to get a visa to come to Sapa, but just take care of yourself first. And if Vietnamese open, so you can you can have a visa and book your flight to Sapa in Vietnam. And yes, that's just want to show you this view is very nice and beautiful. This is Ta Van village, and so my homestay just behind, just down there. That's my homestay. So now I doing running exercise to this place, and actually here beautiful, and stay here and enjoy the sunset. Enjoy the sunset. I'm not sure you can see, but the sunset in this side, the sunset. But yeah, if you come to Sapa, I will love show you and bring you to this place. You can see here. You can stay in my homestay and then stay in. I will bring you to this coffee shop, and you can enjoy coffee here and enjoy the sunset right there. I really like this view, and I'm waiting for after coronavirus, and also after this coffee shop finish, and I will bring home my friend and home my guests come to this house and enjoy the coffee and also enjoy the view and sunset. And you also can conversation with me and then the local people here. Yeah, just like that. Just this guy, I hope you see something nice on this video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please go ahead to subscribe my channel, because I will make a lot of videos show you about the Sapa and show you how to get Sapa from Hanoi and from the different country come to here. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you and we will make friends in the future. Hello and bye bye. I will see you. Bye bye.